In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new users to your Klaviyo account. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes of your time, whether you're new to Klaviyo or simply expanding your team. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide. First, open your preferred web browser and type in www.klaviyo.com. This is the main website where all the Klaviyo magic happens. Once you're there, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Make sure you have your credentials ready if you aren't already logged in. After logging in, direct your attention to the interface. Depending on the version you're using, your account name should be visible in one of two places, either at the bottom left corner if you're on a newer interface, or at the top right in the older format. Click on your account name. This step is crucial as it allows access to the overarching settings menu, essential for managing your account environment. Now that you're in the right area, the next task is to navigate over to Settings, and then select Users. This tab will open up the user management section where you can view current users and make adjustments. In this section, you'll see an option that says Add New User. Clicking this will prompt a new window, ready for you to input the necessary details for the person you're adding. Here, you'll be entering the email address of the new user. Be precise, as this is what Klaviyo will use to contact them and provide access. As you continue filling out the user's details, you'll notice a section labeled Language. This is where you choose the language preference for the user's interface. Klaviyo supports multiple languages, so choose the one that the new team member is most comfortable with, such as English US or Francais. Next up is the Role section. Think carefully about the role you're assigning. Options include admin, manager, analyst, support, campaign coordinator, and content creator. Each role comes with different permissions and responsibilities. For example, choosing admin grants full access, whereas selecting campaign coordinator focuses on tasks related to campaign execution. Finally, after double checking all the information you've entered, simply click Add User. This action sends an invitation to the individual, allowing them to join your Klaviyo account with the role you designated. Remember, reviewing all details before submitting ensures accuracy and streamlines the onboarding process for your new team member. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add users to your Klaviyo account. This setup is foundational, especially when looking to expand and collaborate effectively in your marketing endeavors. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.